Hi guys, my name is Tammy Roussel. Some of you might know me as the founder of Mitsy Kit. Mitsy Kit is all about adaptive sewing and crafting. It was something that I invented after my mom, Mitsy, lost her eyesight in her 80s. Well, we've come a long way. It's been over 7 years now, and I've been working with a lot of the blind and low vision community, as well as others just who seem to love to sew, hand sew, as well as no-sew projects that we come out with on Mitsy Kit. But today I'm starting something new, and that's just a YouTube channel that will support our users who want to either use a sewing machine or hand sewing to create quilts. And this quilt making method will be taught via this channel using tactile guides, tools, tips, and techniques that are low vision and blind friendly. Our goal in this series is to make quilting fun and accessible for anyone, whether it's your first time trying to quilt or it's something that you used to do but need some adaptive tips and techniques to continue. We look forward to helping you. Please be sure to subscribe to our channel and to pass it along to friends and family who can benefit. I hope you enjoy this series. We'll have many videos to follow. Please provide your feedback, and as always, if you want to contact us, call me at 978-419-1824.